So, ayan guys, nandito na kami sa may airport. Nasa loob na kami ng airport. So, medyo meron nang naging problema. Medyo na-delay lang po ang aming flight dito sa loob ng airport. So, it's okay lang po kasi delay lang po ng hours po ang aming flight. So, waiting po kami dito sa may loob ng airport. So, habang nagwo-wait, nagko-coffee kami. Yan, coffee, Dunkin' Donut, extra hot. Of course, extra hot, Dunkin' Donut. Coffee, Barako. So guys, maraming Pilipina na stranded pa. Kasi delay ang flight namin ng konting oras lang. Hindi ko alam kung bakit delay. So hindi na lang natin alamin kasi hindi tayo marites. So guys, see you a bit pag naka-arrive na kami dito sa loob ng airplane. I'm so excited. See you a bit, Philippines. Finally guys, arrive na kami dito sa Manila International Airport, Philippines. As usually, yan, si Aisha nagmamadali paglalakad. Nagmamadali pa uwi at connecting pa po siya. So, finally, I'm so happy. Touchdown, Philippines. See you, my family. So, bago ang lahat, mga luggage time muna tayo. Hanapin pa natin ating bag. At hindi naman tayo makakauna muna ating mga luggage. Asan ka na? Mall of Asia! Labo ng camera ko dito.
Okay na. worth falling for. Oh, and with open arms I'll carry yours. Come, rain or shine, I'll cover you up and calm the skies. As long as you are mine, I'll be there when you need me. You can count on it every time. It won't always be easy, just as sure as the sun will rise. I'll be there when you need me. With every tear that falls from your eyes, oh, you have me complete. I'll be there I'll be there when you need me. Trust, it builds a home, and ours is a sacred place where we both belong.
Sunset.
Maligo na nga, ang init. Ay, naging picture ko yun. Ba yun?
Chapsoy.
Kayang pa ko yan.
Paboritong torta.
Alis dyan, alis dyan, alis dyan. Masira ba yun? Iko na nga. Ay, naku.
Nandito tingnan ko kilikili ko. Anong problema niya?
Bigyan mo nga yun. Hirap na yun. Hirap na yun. Sarili sikap eh.
Lucy, kaya ka na lang pagsagay.
Like tayo dyan. Kaya nag-bigay sa akin na. Oh, okay naman. Buray mo mamaya.
Oh!
Okay, ready na. Kahit gano'n po yung tatawagin ka,
Oh, wala na agad.
72 na. Kami kasali ko mga pa. Sigaw ko na lang. Ano? 22. 5%, dalawa. One second, 14, apat. 5, 5.
AM 7:45. July 22nd, 2023. Goodbye Philippines. See you on my next vacation.
Wherever you go.